I will take screen.
Okay, so grade 7 girls, we'll continue with subtract integers. You will check your additional practice answers over here and I will send it to you too, okay? And let me know where you have questions, where you cannot understand. Try to solve them. This was your homework of yesterday and try to solve online homework today, which will be displayed after 4 p.m. Okay? And let me know if you don't. Please help Rital because she's new, how to go to the homework part. Is this clear, Ghalia, Malak, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Tally your answers and let me know where you don't understand it.
So
how about 10, 11, and
11 and
correct?
12 and 13. You do these?
Yes, you have to do 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes.
Okay.
Only high order thinking is not important to do. The rest you have to try. Very good, Yaman. I did not get my stickers, or else I would have given you stickers. All are correct. Excellent. You're happy, right? Really, you did it by your own? Very good, Lee. All right. So now let us begin our lesson. Let us begin our classwork. This was your homework. I wanted to see how much you have done and what you understood with it. Now turn to page number, which question do we have to continue with? Are you sure we have finished all of the, please see to it, everything? Okay. So we'll begin 1.6. All right. Why did I close it? Okay, before you start your new lesson, you will just see a small video. Example 1, try it. Listen to it, guys. Tell me if you can hear, especially girls there.
Related to adding and subtracting rational
Can you hear this?
numbers. Think about this question during the lesson. Lava flows from an active volcano's magma reservoir, which is 2 3/4 miles below sea level, through something called the magma conduit, and the lava flows a total distance of 5 1/4 miles. How far is the summit of the volcano from sea level? Adding the starting elevation and the change in elevation gives you the final elevation of the summit. You can use the rules for adding integers to add all other rational numbers. Now we can use a number line to represent the distances. On this number line, 0 represents sea level. The magma reservoir is 2 3/4 miles below ground, or -2 3/4, which falls on the number line here. This part of the number line represents the distance from the magma reservoir to sea level, and this section represents the distance from sea level to the summit. The total distance from the magma reservoir to the summit is 5 1/4 miles. So, how far is the summit of the volcano from sea level? You can use the same rules for adding integers to add any two rational numbers. Begin by writing in miles.
Now, girls, what is that they're trying to explain here? Okay, this is the first example. They have shown you, like example, if I say you, the glass is for 10 ml, okay? And you have filled 4 ml. How much more you need to fill to get the answer? How do you do it? 10 minus 4. Same thing. The whole is 1/4 miles, and till the sea level, it is minus 234. So how are you going to minus it? Adding and subtracting rational numbers, adding and subtracting mixed numbers. We have done in grade 6. We will revise it once more so that you understand it better.
So, how far is the summit of the volcano from sea level? You can use the same rules for adding integers to add any two rational numbers. Begin by writing an expression to represent the distance, -2 3/4 plus 5 1/4. The absolute value of -2 3/4 is equal to 2 3/4, and the absolute value of 5 1/4 is equal to 5 1/4. When the signs are different, find the difference. 5 1/4 minus 2 3/4 equals 2 1/2. Use the sign of the addend with the greater absolute value.
Thus,
-2 3/4 plus 5 1/4 equals 2 1/2.
girls, what does this mean? How do you solve this? Do you remember this? How do you solve this? Tell me. Okay, you want to make this as, what do you call, as simple fraction, like 21/4, like this. And remember, 5 times 4 and plus 1, it's 21/4. 4 times 2, 8, plus 3, 11/4. Do you know this or no, Rital? Rital, you know how to do this, how to open it? Leen, Malak? Ghalia, do you know how to open this?
Yeah.
Ghalia,
Not really.
multiply
Not
this,
really.
add this. Simple, both denominators are same. It's very good for me. I just subtract 21 and 11, I get 10, right? I get 10. Let me just simple do 10/4, 8, and then we even have, 2/4. How do you write? 2 is the queen, I write it here, and 2/4. If I simplify,
Okay.
2 times 1 and 2 times 2. So I get 2.5 as my answer. Do you remember this, girls? We did this last year a lot.
Oh yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah,
Did you
miss.
get it? That's it. So that's
Yeah.
why my answer is 2.5. Any questions?
How can you use
No.
properties of numbers to show why the two expressions are equivalent? The order of the addends is switched using the commutative property. Then,
In the question, even if they give you like this, minus, if they give you, I'm sorry. Even if they give you, -2 and plus 5, you will start with 5 minus 2, okay? Because you know it. Next example. The force of gravity added to the force of thrust is the combined force at work on a model rocket. What is the combined force in newtons on the rocket? They are saying to add both of them. Yeah, they're asking you to combine both of them. So when I combine both of them, so I take minus 0.49 plus 1.5. Girls, what is 1.5? Can I write as 1.5? Can I write as 1.5? Can I write as 1.5 to 1.5? Yes, Lee? 1.5. Can I write 1.5? It's 1 plus half. 1 half means I can write as 1 plus 0.5. 1.5. If it's 1/4, I can write 1.25. Okay? If it's 1/3/4, you can make it as 1. If you forget it, please girls, just make a note so that you remember. Everyone, make a note in your textbook that 1.5 can be written as 1.5. 1/4, that's 1/4, 1.25. 1/3/4, 1.75. They both are same. 1.5 is same as 1.5. So when I add both of them, what do you think? Do I have to add or I have to subtract? Tell me. Just one is negative and the other is positive. First finish writing this and I'll explain.
I wrote a miss. And
Ghalia, if the one is negative and other is positive, what am I going to do? Tell me, if one is positive, do I have to minus them or I need to plus them? Ghalia.
you have to minus?
Minus it. Rital, if one is negative and the other is positive, I need to minus them. Okay? So when I minus them, there's nothing here 0. So what is it? 10, 4, and 1. My answer is 1.01. What is my answer? 1. The combined force on the rocket is 1.01. Did you get this? Any questions? If you have finished writing it, is it given? Is it written already? Okay. The answer is there, right? Now let us go to example, other example.
Ruby looks over the edge of her boat and sees fish 4/10 of a meter below the surface of the water. If Ruby holds a 1 meter long net at 5/10 of a meter above sea...
Is it on the second page? Okay, is it not Ruby? Okay, this was same. And this was same. There's nothing else. So we need to do this right, right? All right. We are giving them one example. Okay. That's where I go to your textbook. Girls, I have a lot of time to do this lesson. I want to get back to subtract integers and let us practice more on that. Okay? I can continue this lesson on Sunday because I have finished what I had to do today till here. I want you all to practice subtract integers. For that, please get ready, everyone there and you all. We'll just do some questions. Close the book. We'll just do questions online. If you want, you can just keep a paper or copybook to solve. Okay? Okay, girls?
Okay.
Everyone, get ready one by one. One question for each girl. Okay, yeah. Come on, let us start. This is practice, okay? Close your books. If you want, keep a paper for just to take a rough paper just to solve, because you need a paper to solve. If you don't have a rough paper, you can solve it in the textbook somewhere if you have. Okay, copybook of math. Yes, you can do it. Let's begin. First question, who likes to do it? We have 15 questions here. Who likes to do first question? Leen, Malak, who likes to do first question? Leen, come on. Only the expression. No, just come, just say me from there. It's okay. Or if you want, come to the board and take the marker. Come here, come on. But for me, just say because I need to. Come on. You need to see this number line. Girls, others be ready. If she's wrong, you have to say the answers. See this number line and tell me what is it? From 0, where did they go? And then where did they go? What expression is correct? First, write the expression by your own, looking at the number line. From 0, where did they go? And then where did they go? Okay, so the first thing is my -3. Okay, next. So how do you see? They move 1, they move 2, they move 3. So they moved to positive or to negative? So what's your answer? Which option? Okay. First they went to -3, then they again go to -3. She told girls it is B. Is it correct, Ghalia? Ghalia? Is she correct?
Yeah, miss.
She told it's B. Is it correct?
No.
What it has to be? Very good. Now she got an answer. That's correct answer. It's D, because see, first they go to -3 and then again they go to -3. Because don't do this mistake. Even in the test, in the quiz, first see how much they go. They go from 0 to -3. Okay. And then don't take -6. Don't take -6. This will go wrong. Take after that, how much they go? 1, 2, 3. They go more back to -3. This is the expression. No. Because if I solve such questions in class, it will be good for you to answer in the quiz. Okay, this is called expression. If they ask you equation, you will solve it. Like these kind you will get in your quiz, girls. Next. Do one more, sweetie, do one more, then I'll call up Mateen. Okay, solve the parenthesis first. 7. Okay, you solve there, yes. What should I write? Let's do. 7 and then open parenthesis. Open parenthesis. Plus, because see, when you open parenthesis and you have, yes. Just write down. See, now your answer, 7 plus 4. You solve this. When you solve this, just look like this is your question. Forget about this. When this is your question, what is your answer? There is positive 11. Now you got it? You will not see the sign here. Even if you see the sign here, before 7, it is positive, right? And 7 is big. But don't see this. Never see this. See the one what you have solved. So you get, what will you get? Positive 11, right? Let us see. Let us write here. 11. Let us check. Excellent. Wow. Let us go back here. Leen and Malak, sorry, Mateen, you can come. Come on. Malak, are you seeing on the screen? Malak and Ghalia.
Yes, Miss, I can see.
First, solve
Yeah, I can see.
the parenthesis. Yes, solve the equation. One. First, write down the equation starting from. What is that? Start minus. What is it? See, the question is this. Solve the parenthesis exactly as same. Minus 3, okay? And then?
Miss, it's, I know the answer.
1 second, yeah. Just erase that minus 3. The question starts with what here, Batin? Yes, why minus 3 you're writing? No, you will write the same equation and open the parenthesis. Okay? Minus 8. Open the parenthesis. Minus, see, after minus 8, there are 2 minus. Yes. So, plus. Yes. Did you see your mistake, Batin? First, you will write minus 8, you will copy the same, and you will open the parenthesis. So, when you do this, what do you get? Okay. Now this is your question, Batin. Solve it. Forget about this. Solve this question. First, what is the first rule to check the signs? What are the signs? So is it same or different? So what will you do? Yes, minus them. Why did you say 11 then? Yes. Why did you say 11 then? Confused. Because you have seen all this. Don't see all this. Check after the parenthesis is solved. Again and again I'm saying, because I see these mistakes. Okay, girls? Your answer is 5. Let me check your answer. Wait. We have one more question with you. Let me check your answer. It's 5. Sorry, yes. Minus 5. See? Even I went wrong. Good job. Excellent. One more. Next. Oh, she has got a tough one. Come on, read it out. One second. Just solve the first thing. It is, where is it? It is 21 inches to the right of the red fence. To the right means they are going. 1 second. Yes. Okay. They're going positive from 0 to 21. Which A, B, C, D? Where you see that they go to the right? Yes. Where? Which one they get 21? That's what I'm saying. Be very careful. To the right side. I know, see, this is a number line. When you see, okay, you say A. And then read more. The second birdhouse. Okay, from here, it's 29 inches. So this is 5 inch, 10 inch, 15 inch, 20, 25, 29. So your answer is A according to you, right? Let us see, let us check. Excellent. Got it? Aha, that's a part A of the question. Read the part B. So you told it was first plus 21 and then it was minus 29. So what's your answer? Positive 21 and negative 29. What's your answer?
A.
Okay, plus 21 minus 29, and that equals to, is it 8 or minus 8? Why do I have to remind you here, Mateen? Be very careful. Ask yourself, you know. First, check the sign. Second, take the sign of the bigger number. Let us see. I am not sure whether it's correct. Fantastic, excellent. This way you will learn more how to solve the questions. Keep it here, use the sanitizer and go. Okay. I have just 4 minutes left. Rital, very sleepy. Maybe slept very late. When did you sleep? 3 o'clock? What were you doing?
Miss, I used to sleep at 4 a.m. before, but now I sleep at 9 and I don't feel it's right.
You didn't sleep. Because you were home yesterday and you did not, you know, she slept all the day and that's why.
Miss,
Now from
Miss,
today,
it's
don't go home and sleep today. Wait till
yeah, Miss, because Miss, when I sleep after school, I swear to God, Miss, I sleep at 1 a.m. in the morning, and my mom gets very mad. Like my mom doesn't get mad; she doesn't want me to sleep like this.
Okay, but see, she took vaccination, so yesterday she had fever, so she was sleeping all the day. So it's understood that she was tired, and she cannot sleep again. So inshallah, from today till you okay with that? Okay. So please, can you read out the question? 10 feet below. What is 10 feet below, Ritan? Is it positive or negative? See, when they say below, that means it comes down. Coming down is always negative, okay? It's minus 10. He descends until he reaches point. From 10, he goes to 57. From 10, he goes to 57. So minus 10, minus 47, because, yes? Okay. Minus 10 and minus 57. How many feet does Hal descends? Total, how much he descend? So what do you do to this question? Plus them, okay? What's the answer? When you add 57 plus 10, what is the answer? 67, 57, 67, 77 plus 10, khalas. Okay? And sign of the bigger number. Let's check. I'm not sure it's correct or not. Minus 67. Let us check. That's incorrect. I'll do this question too on Sunday, okay? Why it's incorrect, I will tell you. It's a critical question. Okay, girls, that's it. Have a great day. Malak, Walia will continue with this. I feel this is very interesting.
Bye, Miss.
So that you know your own mistakes. And bye-bye.
Okay.